Hi everyone, Taras is here with an update. And as you can see, we already completed all the excavation. About 27 large trucks of soil and shale rock was removed from this basement. 3 sections or 3 sequences of the underpinning have been complete. All the supporting beams and supporting posts have been installed, and about 8 inches of gravel have been put and spread throughout the basement. We're at the point where we will be installing the weeping tile all around the perimeter of this basement. It's around 180 linear feet of weeping tile, and we have 2 catch basins on the opposite corners of this basement to catch the groundwaters through the weeping tile and take it outside. We are also at the point of framing or forming basement walkout. So what we're doing, we're forming the exterior walls first, and then we'll be attaching about 14 steps going in the basement. So here I'm putting the interior weeping tile before I am going to pour the basement floor. And right after underpinning project was done, the new pieces under the existing foundation have been poured. I'm putting the weeping tile to collect all the groundwater, take it to the sump pump and take it out. So all the pipes, all the coils are covered with this sleeve to prevent mud going in and clogging the pipe. So what I do, I just put any tape you have, like I'm using electrical tape, but you can do, there are a series of different tapes to just make sure the sleeve stays there. And I put more tape on top just to make sure the sleeve does not pop out of this. For example, here I'm using T to go each way, to go this way and to go the other way, for the groundwater to collect from both directions. Anyway, so this is the little tip that I'm doing, and I'm installing it myself, so I'm not hiring a contractor, because I don't think contractor would have taken time to just do it this way. And I find this is probably proper and accurate. Takes more time, but I think the quality at the end is much better. See the whole building sitting on the rock. Hi everyone. For those who didn't know, I'm a full-time Canadian federal government employee, and I'm doing the real estate development as my passion and hobby. I absolutely love real estate design, architecture, investments, and anything related with property development, property investments. And so today we are performing plumbing roughing inspection in my real estate development property. There's a toilet, sink, laundry tub, floor drain, and a potential shower. And this is a mixed-use property. There are 2 apartments upstairs and 2 commercial units on the main floor and a basement. Before I pour concrete floors, I decided to take this opportunity, leave the rough-ins just in case we wanted to have, let's say, 2 washrooms with showers. If it's a dancing studio or a workout gym, probably it will be very functional and useful to have on-site shower just in case. And I'm roughing in 2 washrooms. We're here to do the plumbing inspection. After that, I'm going to level all the gravel, install the vapor barrier on top, styrofoam on top, glycol pipes, wire mesh, and then the final stage, I'm gonna call my concrete finisher to pour the concrete floors all throughout. It's a 1,700 square feet plus the walkout steps, and will be amazing space for gym classes, dancing studio, because it's a nice, very large open area. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll keep you posted, and like, subscribe, because it will be good for you. So here are 2 other basins. So this one is for my sewage, and this one is for my groundwaters. 1.5 inch check valve, 1.5 inch ABS pipe. Went for sewage. There's a sewage pump underneath, and it's a 2 inch ABS pipe. Same thing, check valve. And I also do a shut off.